Hi friends, today let's do something different. Today, we decided to go to Taquiza Limon in Brentwood, and this is our first time. So let's try it. First bite. Mmm, so good. And for the second bite, let's try this green sauce. Talagang inamoy pa talaga oh. Wow! Pero gusto ko yung pagkakit ni ate girl dito. And let's move on to the next. It's the steak quesadilla. Titignan mo pa lang, napakasarap na. First bite. Napagkasarap-sarap. Ayun ang sabi niya. And tara, let's move to the next. They call this a wet burrito. Itsura pa lang, masarap na. Parang pagkain ng kambing eh, no? Pero okay to. Try natin ang first bite. Sarap ni ate girl. Joke aside, masarap talaga dito sa Taquiza Limon. Kaya kayo, punta na kayo dito. Tara!